Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all Google search history. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to click on your profile picture of Google ID. Then you simply need to click on manage your Google account. So let me refresh this. Okay. And then you need to click on data and privacy. So once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and click on in history settings, web and app activity. And if you want, you can turn off from here and click on manage all web and app activity here. Scroll down and here you can filter by date and product. Okay, and here you can see delete icon. Click on that and you can delete last or last day all time. If you want to delete all time, click on that, click on next and click on delete. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.